Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Solid Master. Today we are going to see the use of draft feature in Solidworks. So draft is used to create the tilted surface. If you want to give the angle, so you will use the draft feature for giving the angles in the surface. So let's start with our draft features. So for using these draft features, I am going to create this part, and then we will use the draft feature in this part. So let's open the Solidworks. Now in this we are taking the top plane and normal to, and then click on sketch. Now here first we have to draw this part, that is this square of 100 mm, and the height of this is given 80 mm. So 100 mm square is to be drawn and the extruded height will be 80 mm. So click on this center rectangle and then this size will be, because it is a square, so this line and this line should be equal, and then click on OK. So dimension is given, that is 100 mm. Now this to be extruded, and the extrude height is given, that is 80 mm. Go to feature, extrude boss, and it should be extruded 80 mm, and then click on OK. So we have drawn the first part, and then we have to draw this other part at the top part. So this part is given, extruded height is 60 mm. So click on this and then go to sketch and click on sketch, because we have to give the extrude boss here, so we have to convert these entities. So click on this convert entities. So our square has been converted, so this is the square, and then go to feature. So extrude height will be 60 mm. So click on this extrude boss, and this height is 60. And now if you see that draft angle is given, that is 25 degree, and the draft angle should be inwards. So we will go for draft. So this is the draft feature. Click on this and draft should be 25 degree. So enter 25. So if you click on the draft inwards, draft outwards, it will go, surface will go outwards. So we want a draft inwards at 25 degree. So again click on this and then click OK. So we have given the draft angle 25 degree inwards. Now the third part, that is bottom part. So we have to give the bottom part. So the extrude height will be 60 mm and the draft angle is given, that is 35 degree. So again click on this and then click on sketch and press, or you can, if we want this square, so click on this convert entities and then we will go for features, extrude boss, and this extrude should be 60 mm. This is the 60 mm given, and draft angle is 35 degree. So click on this draft features and it should be 35 degree. And this time our draft should be outwards. So if you click on this draft outwards, your surface, angled surface will be outwards. So click on this, OK. Now we have to create one rectangle at the bottom surface and the dimension is given, that is 20 mm from this surface. After creating this rectangle, we have to give the extrude cut or drafted cut we have to give, and this time drafted cut should be angle 35 degree. So again click on this surface and press Ctrl 8 for normal view. Now click on this sketch and create one rectangle. So I am going to create center rectangle. Here both the lines should be equal so that it will be squared. Select both the line and then give relations equal. Click on OK. Now height will be given, that is 20 mm. So side is 20 mm and click OK. Now we have given the height 20 mm. Now we have to create extrude cut at 20 mm. So extrude cut should be inwards. So go to feature, click on extrude cut, and this time extrude cut will be 20 mm. Enter 20 and click on OK. So we have given the extrude cut. Now we have to give the draft angles, that is 35 degree to this extruded cut rectangle. For giving this draft angles, here another side in draft is given. So this one is the standalone draft features. So that in before we are using the draft feature embedded in extrude boss and extrude cut. So this is the commonly used features. So click on this draft. Now our draft angle is given, that is 35 degree. So we will change this, that is 35. So here in the manual size we are giving the draft angle should be 35 degree. Unit is in the degree. And in this neutral plane means that surface that should be neutral. So click on this is our neutral plane, and in this face to draft we will select that surface which we have to change the angle. So we have to change this surface angle. So select these 4 faces. Because we have selected 4 faces, so this face has to be changed, and then click on OK. So if you see that this surface has kept neutral and this face angle has been changed to 35 degree. If you select this face as a neutral, I will show you the experiment. So again go to edit feature. Instead of this, I am clearing the section. Instead of neutral plane, if you select this face, 4 face, and instead of this, so again I will show you. edit features. If you change the here clear section and it should be cleared. If you give the face to draft, if you select the face to be drafted, this, and neutral plane will be this surface. Then click on OK. So if you see that this face has been changed, or this surface has been changed, while this face, this surface remain neutral. So because of in these questions, if you see that 35-degree draft is given and it should be outwards. So we are keeping the go to again features, clear the section. Here also clear the sections. So that is why neutral plane will be our this and face to draft will be our 4 faces. And click on this surface and 35 angle draft angle and then click on OK. Now we have to create this part. So this square section, square having the dimension 30 by 30 and it should be extruded at 20 mm, and here also 20-degree draft angle is given. So click on this, press Ctrl 8 for normal view, then go to sketch, then create one center rectangle or corner you have to want. So I am creating the center rectangles. So this is the rectangles. If you equal this both the sides, it will be square. So we want it should be squared. So click on this equal relation and click on OK. Now dimension is given, that is 30 mm. So go to smart dimensions and side is 30 mm and click on OK. Now this square should be at the center of this. So we will create one line. So line should be for constructions. And second line will be from here to here. Now we will select both this line and this point and we will give intersections and then click on OK. Now our square has been placed at the center. Now we have to give the extrude. So this extrude boss will be 20 mm. Go to features, extrude boss, and it should be 20 mm and then click on OK. Now here 20 degree angle draft angle is given and draft should be outwards. So this time we click on this draft features. So manually, so draft will be given 20 degree, unit is in degree. In here in neutral plane we have to change only this face. Only this face angle is changed at 20 degree. So our neutral face will be this face and face to draft will be only this face. And then click on OK. So if you see that this edge, if you see that this face or this surface has been changed at 20 degree and other face that we have selected, that is neutral face, is kept as a neutral. So this is the use of the draft features in SolidWorks. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and share to your friends. Thanks for watching this video.